Hey, hey, yo, it's your boy once again in like a barber shop. This my guy came, he don't know what to get for haircut. So I said let's go with low taper. Like he said he hasn't had an haircut for a year and I had to trim the hair off with the scissors. Therefore using my clipper to take off, I had to use my guard one. You say it needed it to go down. So I took it off the guard one. Say love the step. So I took it down. I had to push his hair. It took me all day to push his hair down. Like it was cutting through a grass. Like I kept on pushing his hair. Took up my guard a lot of times. About 7 to 8 times, my guard fell off. So I had to pick that up. Then I had to go with my lever up, down. I had to push his head down. Like this hair was so damn thick. Yeah, imagine that. Like, come on, guy. Yeah, come on. And there you go. So he had a little bit of snow. Yo. So I did a little of washing. Like he just kept on smiling. My guy just like to just smile. I don't know why. So there is me having the back, blending the back taper. Then I had to be a little bit forceful because the hair was too thick. Like, this guy's hair was too long. So I make sure those areas was blended in. I had to go up. Make sure I didn't go too far on the hair. Then there you go. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Follow me for more videos.